Hello everybody and welcome to another devlog. Still learning to develop games in the Unity engine. Today I was tackling the Flappy Bird game and I decided to do it as a minimalistic version, which I dubbed Blocky Tap Game, and here is a quick demonstration on it. There's still plenty to do within this. I've not put any sound on, and I would also like to have a high score function to also go along. So here's a quick check. So we've got some options. We're going to put it first into the easy option, and then we're going to play. Okay, and as you can see, you press your space bar and you go up. Now I do have a little interesting thing about the sensitivity. I found that when I'm actually coding and testing it in the Unity engine, it seems to be much more sensitive than when I actually build the thing out. So I need to have a look to see why I'm getting a different behavior to the actual game there. So there's that, and as you can see, there's a very slight speeding up that occurs, and eventually that will get faster and faster very slowly. So I'm going to crash there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the start menu. I'm going to now change the game speed up to hard, and I'm going to now play the same game, but now you can see that it's going a lot faster, and you probably can hear me tapping furiously away at my spacebar. The speed that it increases also increases. One of the other things I'd like to do is, at the moment I have about 6 variations of the pipes that come through. They're in blocks of 4, so there's also some stuff that I can do with that and making the leveling harder, and maybe even, you know, tweak the original game. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and that's the end of this devlog.